Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's review, I want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you enjoy this video and want to see more content like it, please consider leaving a like or dislike right now, subscribing to the channel, and commenting below with which products you'd like to learn more about. Your feedback helps us create videos that you'll love. Alright, let's get started. Today, we're talking about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a powerful new formula designed to support healthy weight loss and overall well-being. This all-natural tonic is packed with a proprietary blend of 8 natural ingredients, each chosen for its ability to target the underlying causes of unexplained weight gain. One of the key features of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is its ability to address the effects of blue light exposure and lack of N-REM sleep, two common factors that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. By tackling these issues head-on, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic helps you achieve and maintain your weight loss goals more effectively. But let's dive deeper into what makes Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic so special. First off, let's talk about increased energy. Many users report feeling more energized throughout the day after incorporating Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic into their routine. This sustained energy boost can help you power through your workouts and stay focused on your goals. Next, let's discuss better sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and weight management, and Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic can help improve your sleep quality, leaving you feeling more rested and rejuvenated each morning. Additionally, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic supports a healthy inflammatory response, which is crucial for reducing inflammation in the body and promoting overall wellness. By reducing inflammation, you may experience fewer aches and pains, improved digestion, and better overall health. And let's not forget about the benefits for your skin. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is loaded with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help promote brighter, healthier-looking skin. Many users report a noticeable improvement in their skin's appearance after using Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic regularly. From a physical standpoint, you may also notice a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to the collagen-boosting properties of some of the ingredients in Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. In conclusion, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic offers a safe, effective, and natural solution for anyone looking to support their weight loss journey and improve their overall well-being. If you're ready to experience the benefits for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more and get started today. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your feedback. Until next time, take care